These bridges may seem unbelievable, each with its own wild story. Would you have the courage to cross them? Trift Bridge. Built to reach the shrinking Trift Glacier, the Trift Bridge in Switzerland became a popular tourist spot after being remodeled. The original route was dangerous, so a safer bridge was needed. Opened in 2009, it's one of the longest and highest in the Alps, requiring a 90-minute walk to reach. Husseini Bridge. Northern Pakistan's Husseini Hanging Bridge is risky due to poor construction. Built in a hard-to-reach area, it used random pieces of wood instead of proper planks. Over time, it worsened without maintenance. Despite the danger, it attracted tourists. Ironically, it was reportedly destroyed in a flood 10 years ago. AI Petrie Bridge. In Crimea, the IEP Petrie Bridge, named after St. Peter, is tough for skilled drivers to cross. Made of wood and cable, it faces winds reaching 100 miles per hour for 125 days a year. Despite the danger, the stunning view at the top may make it worth the risk for adventurous visitors. Magdeburg Bridge. Located in Germany, the Magdeburg Water Bridge connects two major canals. Construction began in 1905 but was delayed multiple times, finishing in 2003. The 900-meter bridge lets ships cross the Elbe River without using locks, speeding up travel between canals. It's the world's longest navigable aqueduct. Confederation Bridge. Connecting New Brunswick and Prince Edward Island, the Confederation Bridge spans 8 miles and is the longest bridge over ice-covered waters. Completed in 1997 at a cost of $1 billion, it transformed local travel, boosted the economy, and became a popular tourist attraction with stunning views of the Northumberland Strait. Ponte Vecchio. In Florence, Italy, Ponte Vecchio is a historic bridge built in 1345 after a flood destroyed the original. It was the only bridge over the Arno River until 1218. Initially home to butchers, it became a goldsmith hub in 1593. The Medici family also built a private corridor above it, Sidu River. Completed in 2009, the Sidu River Bridge in China is the tallest in the world, standing at 487.1 meters. It connects two remote regions, once separated by dangerous mountain roads. Built over a decade for $100 million, the bridge improved travel and boosted the local economy. Ashima Ohashi. Spanning Lake Nomi, the Ashima Ohashi Bridge is known for its steep incline that resembles a roller coaster. Despite its dramatic look, it's safe to drive on. The bridge allows ships to pass underneath and offers smooth, exciting rides with stunning views. It cost $200 to $260 million to build. Millau Viaduct. Standing 1,125 feet tall, the Millau Viaduct is the world's highest bridge. It spans 1.5 miles across the Tarn Valley, linking Clermont-Ferrand and Narbonne. Finished in 2004 after 20 years of planning, it cost $424 million and offers breathtaking views, earning multiple awards for its impressive design. Vasco da Gama. Opened in 1998 for Expo 98, the Vasco da Gama Bridge in Lisbon spans 17 kilometers across the Tagus River, linking Lisbon to the southern shores. It's Europe's longest bridge. Built with a $1 billion investment, it eased traffic and brought northern and southern Portugal closer, especially at night. Helix Bridge. Shaped like a DNA strand, the Helix Bridge in Singapore spans 280 meters across Marina Bay, linking the business district to Bayfront. Opened in 2010, it offers stunning views by day and glows with LED lights at night. It's a symbol of creativity, providing a scenic path for pedestrians and cyclists. Vu Amir. The Netherlands' Vu Amir Aqueduct, completed in 2002, is an 82-meter-long masterpiece where boats glide over a busy highway. Built for $61 million, it ensures smooth traffic below while offering scenic views. This innovative structure showcases Dutch expertise, blending practicality and beauty for pedestrians, cyclists, and vessels alike. Golden Gate. In San Francisco, the Golden Gate Bridge is a stunning feat of engineering that almost didn't happen. Spanning 1.7 miles, it faced fierce winds, tides, and fog during construction. Opened in 1937 under Joseph Strauss's leadership, its orange glow against the fog captivates millions of visitors every year.